My daddy did it, his daddy did it before him. I guess you could call it a family business. There's a reason you Earthlings have the phrase cash cow.
Let me assure you that we believe in the ethical abduction of cows. We only use organic tractor beams.
We can't say what the real motivation for an alien abduction is. But in this logic game, the question isn't why, but how. Invasion of the Cow Snatchers puts you in the pilot seat of a UFO. Your goal is to navigate your craft around the farmer's field and collect all of the cows, saving the Red Bull for last. To begin, choose one of the 60 challenge cards from the deck and place the magnetic pieces on the game grid so that it matches the card. Then slide your UFO over the clear cover to beam up your cows with a satisfying magnetic snap.
Best feeling in the world.
Your UFO must dodge obstacles such as hay bales, fences, crop rows, a barn, and a silo. As your herd of heifers heaps up, turning the corner around the fences gets even harder. So think carefully about taking the right path in the right order, or your cow collection becomes ground beef. Once you've collected your cow cargo, it's time to beam up the bull and head back to Mars for a victory lap. With dozens of puzzles available in skill levels ranging from easy to downright genius, there's something for everybody, and plenty of puzzling to keep your mind working until the cows come home. Invasion of the Cow Snatchers is available online and in stores now.